What's going on, guys? This is Jamal with TBS Credit Repair and Debt Relief. We're here with part 5 of the FICO score, which is going to be credit mix, which is 10% of your score. So parts 1 through 4 is on my Facebook page on the link down below. You guys can go there and see those. So let's get right into this. Part 5 is going to be credit mix, which means that you want to have a mixture of credit on your actual credit report, which is revolving accounts and installment accounts as well. Your revolving accounts are your credit cards, retail store cards, gas cards, etc. You want to have those on there. Your installment accounts are going to be your home loans, auto loans, and student loans. You want to have that mix to show your ability to be able to manage different types of credit accounts. And that'll show current banks that you're trying to apply for, current, auto loans, you're trying to get a new car. They can see that you can manage different types of credit accounts. So keep that in mind when you're going about setting up your credit profile. Get a mixture of those accounts. That'll help your score. It's only 10%, but a 10% can definitely help. So part 5, FICO score, credit mixture of accounts. Tomorrow we'll be doing a live from 1 to 2 p.m. on my Facebook page with Lorna Rodriguez. She's with First Alliance Home Mortgage. We'll be doing Q&A, so tune in for that. And I thank you guys, and you guys have a great day. Call the number below for any questions as well. Thank you.